Hi, we are doing logarithm. Question is express each in a form free from logarithm. So the first one is 2 log x minus log y is equal to 1. Now we know that, let's see the rule of log first. Okay, so log a raised to the power n is n log a. That means if it is n log a, you can write it in this form. So this we will do. I'll do step by step. Log x and the 2 which is in front of log comes in as a power of x minus log y is equal to 1. Now we know log a minus log b is equal to log a by b. Fine. So we'll use that rule. This is log a and this is log b. So this becomes log a by b, that is x square by y is equal to 1. Fine. Now we can convert this 1 as log 10, or we can use the rule, or we can use changing the log form to the exponential form. Find the log form को exponential form में we will convert. Now what was that rule? That rule was, if any log is there, log b to the base a is equal to x, then the exponential form of such will become a, the base will remain the base, the power will become x, and the solution to it will become b. What does that mean? It means if it is log b to the base a, this is called base a, is equal to x, then it becomes a to the power x, this power, and the answer is b. That means this is swapped. Fine. So now we know that if there is no base, it means its base is 10. This you should know. If there is no base, the base is 10. So this can be written as 10 raised to the power 1. 1 will come on 10 ka power, and this will become is equal to x square by y. So 10 is equal to x square by y. The log has, this is an expression which is free from log, right? Or you could have done, from here you would have done, I'll show you the other way also. This is x square by y is equal to 1. That means it is 1 ka value can be written as log 10 to the base 10. If there is no base, it always remember, if there is no base, it means the base is 10. So this can be written like this, log 10 to the base 10. 1 ko we can write like this. So this is x square by y is equal to 10, because this log and log will vanish. That means if it is log a is equal to log b, then a, we assume, we know that a is equal to b, that is x square by y is equal to 10. Fine. So either of the way you can do this way, or you can put it in exponential form and then do it. Both the ways are right. Then the second one is, okay, 2 log x plus 3 log y is equal to log a. Fine. This is the question. So again we know that log a raised to the power n is n log a, or if it is n log a, then the term which is in front of log is taken as power of the log. So this can be written as log x square plus log y square is equal to log a. Fine. Now we also know the other rule states that log a plus log b is equal to log a into b. Fine. So this will be log a and this will be log b. So x square into, so this is y cube because it was 3, sorry, y cube is equal to log a. Again log x square y cube is equal to log a, That means ये log you can think in your mind it is getting cancelled. Fine. So x square y cube is equal to a. Again we got a expression which is free from log. Now we will see the other one, that is a log x minus b log y is equal to 2 log 3. Again we will apply the rules of logarithm. This will be a will go on the as a power of the log. So this can be written as log x to the power a minus log y to the power b is equal to log 3 to the power 2. Right? We saw just now the rule of the log, and this is now log a minus log b. What is log a minus log b? I'll just show you. Log a minus log b is log a by b. Fine. So this can be written as log x raised to the power a by y raised to the power b is equal to log 3 ka power 2. Fine. So now this log a, we also know log a is equal to log b, then a is equal to b. That means x raised to the power a by y raised to the power b is 3 ka square, that is 9. So again we got an expression which is free from the logarithm. You can even write it as, take y raised to the power b on the other side, it will become y raised to the 9 into y raised to the power b.